Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a 2x6 closure sew-in using straight bundles from TPL extensions, which you can find on theprettylounge.com. So these are my raw Vietnamese extensions that she purchased. I think she requested 3 16-inch bundles, but I had longer bundles in stock that I just went ahead and used for her. And we did lift them to achieve this blonde level color. I can show you all her inspo here in just a second. But yes, she wanted to do like a nice summer blonde, you know, a nice warm blonde against her skin tone for a trip that she had planned. So this is the straight Vietnamese hair, which you can find on theprettylounge.com, the raw Vietnamese straight. And I did lift the hair, and as you can see, it lifted beautifully. That lifted from black. And baby, let me tell you, it got there pretty quickly. That's what I love about this hair, and it didn't damage the hair at all. You can see towards the end of the video how this hair styles out beautifully. It does dry in a wavier texture, even though it is the straight, but this hair gets bone straight. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a braid down. You're gonna bust the middle down the part, and you're gonna go ahead and braid away from the parting space, just so you have a flat base to sew your extensions upon. I do use a net, like a stretchy net, which I will show here in a second, and I do make sure to oil my client's hair. So before I started braiding, I did put oil on my hands and run it through her hair, and then once I'm done braiding, I will use my Design Essentials peppermint aloe anti-itch therapeutic grease that I love to use. If you watch any of my other videos, I use this grease all the time for my braid downs, and my clients love it. They absolutely love it. They're always asking like, what is that? Like, get you some for your client. They'll love it. The closure that I use is a 2x6 closure. It is based from my Brazilian collection of hair. I don't like using the Vietnamese closures. I just would prefer to use the Brazilian closures. So, and they match pretty well. I just got a straight Brazilian closure, 2x6 closure to go up against these raw Vietnamese hair bundles, and it turned out perfectly fine. And it colored, honestly, at the same rate, which is great. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. I think I showed in depth how I sew down this closure. I sew up and throughout the closure, and then I sew around the closure, just so you have, you know, that double security. And I'm always sure that I don't use any adhesive. My clients, they don't necessarily like that. This client in particular, she comes to get closure sews in all the time, and I never use adhesive on her. That's just something that I do not do. And as you can see, she still got her edges and everything intact. So, yeah, I don't use any adhesive. But the key to not using adhesive is to sew throughout the closure, not just, you know, around. So just stay tuned for that. I do show that in very close detail. And yeah, just stay tuned to see how this hair styles out. It styles out perfectly. If you are looking to invest in some very high quality hair that'll last you sew in after sew in after sew in, I'm telling you, these are the bundles that you need. This is the straight raw Vietnamese hair that I sell on theprettylounge.com under TPL extensions. So I do have a Brazilian line, but I have a raw Vietnamese line that is the best quality on the planet. Okay, I promise that. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm always grateful for anyone who watches my videos. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every week here on this channel. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, you can get down in the comment box. I'll make sure to get back to you. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know what y'all want to see more of. I do closure sew-ins pretty frequently, so I have a lot of videos of that on here. If you are, you know, just looking to get or just watch some hair tutorials, I have everything separated by playlists here on this channel, between extensions, protective styles, coloring, natural hairstyles, you know, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button so you can see what's going on at the Pretty Lounge. As usual, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all again next week. Peace.